Welcome. In this video I will show you how to toggle your keyboard backlight on HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To toggle keyboard backlight, we have to use the F4 function key right here. This function key will switch between turning our keyboard backlight on and off, and also adjusting the brightness of it. So you just have to press this button by itself to adjust your keyboard backlight. And if this key doesn't work by itself, you just have to press and hold F1 button and press F4 along with it. And that's basically how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.